I love books but hate reading. Let's create automation script using Python to listen PDF and convert them into audiobooks to listen later. First of all, we need to create virtual environment. Python -mvnv myvnv. This is my virtual environment name. Okay, I already created. Let's activate myvnv/scripts/activate. Let's activate. We need requirement.txt. We need these two libraries. Okay, pip install -r requirements.txt. That's installing. Let's create new file. First of all, we need to name this file speakpdf.py. Okay, we need a virtual environment variable. Okay, let's import pypdf2 pypdf2. We need import pyttx3x. okay, we need to open file equal to file open. I already create one file fip.pdf and read mode is rb. okay, read pdf equal to pdf2 dot pdf reader. Let's read the pdf. okay, I will give the name of file speaker. Let's say initialize speaker pyttx3x dot initiate. Now we need rate. We need speaking rate. okay, speaker dot get property rate. We need speaking rate. okay, speaker dot set property. We need to set property of rate equal to 200. We need the speaking rate 200. okay, volume. We need volume equal to speaker dot get property. We need property of volume. Second, we need to set the speaker dot set property of volume equal to 12. volume comma 12. We need volume 12. Sorry, 1. We need 1. Sorry. Now we need voices equal to, we need speaker dot get property voices. Now for voices we need, for voices and voices we need if English and voice and voices and voice, sorry, and voice dot name dot lower and us and voice dot name dot lower. Then we need speaker set property, speaker dot set property voice. We need to set the voice of the speaker, voice id, voice dot id. Let's break it. okay, now we need for page number in range to check the length of the page. Length read pdf dot pages. We need pages. okay, page equal to read pdf dot pages. We need the page number to pass. Page number. okay, text equal to page dot extract text. We need to extract the text from the page. Extract text _text. okay, now we need speaker speaker dot say text to say text. Okay, PDF text. Speaker dot run and wait. Now we need the audiobook to save. Speaker dot save to file text, and I will giving the name summary dot mp3. Let's speaker dot run and wait, and last speaker dot stop. We need to stop it and close the file dot close. So this is the code. Let's check it, it's working or not. Let's check my
1 PAGE. General Guidelines and Rules for FYPI. 1 FYPI Coordinators. 1.1 Computer Science Program. Students of Computer Science Program will have to submit their...
If you need only to generate summary.mp3 file, let's comment out this code and then run it. Let's run it. Let's generate this summary file. Okay.
3 PAGE. Note.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.